Well, we're 1 week away from the Arizona primary, but getting voters to the polls in the middle of this pandemic is, of course, a big challenge. Tonight, an inside look at how the largest county recorder's office in the state is adapting. ABC 15's Sonu Wasu shows us what you can expect to see, whether you're mailing or hand delivering your vote.
Polling places are going to look a little different than they used to.
Like many businesses, you'll see pandemic protection front and center as soon as you show up to cast your vote.
Our staff is going to be wearing gloves, masks, and face shields.
Maricopa County Recorder Adrian Fontes says they will also be asking voters to wear masks.
And if folks don't have a mask or they're unable to afford one, we will have masks available for all of our voters.
For those who refuse to cover up,
we can and never will deny anyone the right to vote, but we very much expect that our citizenry will be courteous enough to put on a mask for a short period of time, still exercise that fundamental right to vote.
The recorder's office has already spent hundreds of thousands of dollars on cleaning supplies, where high-touch surfaces will be wiped down multiple times a day. All election workers now undergoing special training guided by the county health department. But the big key to keeping voters safe during a pandemic, according to Fontes, lie in the dozens of voting centers that are already open for voters.
Our original plan for this election was to have 500 polling places open, but those were assigned polling places.
Plans that had to be scrapped in March. Fontes says now anyone can vote anywhere. No more assigned polling places for the August primary.
We're going to have options, nearly 100 places where any voter can vote on Election Day and the entire 2 weeks, including nights and weekends up to Election Day.
Less polling places means less workers, so less people exposed, but it also gives you more time to vote. Fontes says he hopes more people voting before Election Day will mean less crowds and shorter lines at the polls on August 4th. The number of voters requesting a ballot in the mail has also increased. 76% of Maricopa County voters now registered to vote by mail. To keep these voters home, the county recorder's office sending the coveted I voted stickers directly to you along with your voting instructions, so you don't have to bring it into a polling place to proudly display that you've done your civic duty. Sonu Wasu, ABC 15, Arizona.
Well, tomorrow is the deadline to mail back that ballot to make sure it's counted in time. As we count down to Election Day, ABC 15 has 3 promises for you. We will give you a voice. We will give you the facts, and we will cut through all that noise to help you make better informed decisions.